Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be taking you guys through how I'm going to set up my makselife folio. So if you guys missed my video from a few weeks ago, I was sent some products over from makselife to review and share with you guys for their launch. And one of the things that they launched is this beautiful new folio system, and I shared a couple videos after that I was thinking of sharing how I would have this set up, and if you guys were interested in seeing that, so here we are. A few of you said yes, absolutely. So just to preface this though, I am not going to start using this until November 1st, so that may be So as of right now, when I'm filming it, you're not going to see a whole lot of writing in here because I haven't started using it yet. But next week, when this is up, I will be actively using this every single day. So again, this is from makselife. It does come in two colors. One of them is already sold out, which is their gray color. I forget the name of it off the top of my head, but this color is the Luna. The other color is sold out and will restock, I believe, in early 2023 is what they have already shared via email and on their socials. So that is super exciting. I didn't grab that gray color because I was so in love with the Luna color, and I still am. So I'm pretty excited to just jump into this. So let's go ahead and get started. I have these two pens, or a pen and a marker set aside that I actually do keep inside of here. However, once they are in here, the book doesn't stay closed because I have something extra in here right now, which is making things a little bit extra tight. So this book, or this folio, does stay closed by magnetic closure. So as soon as things start to get a little bit bulky, it's not going to stay closed. So you might want to keep that in mind. All right, so first up on the left side of the book, this book is not even in the elastic, so that's why it's immediately falling out. I'll explain that in just a few minutes. So over here on this side, I just have in the pocket the makselife ruler and stencil. Again, I went into more detail about all of these items in my review video, which I will leave linked down below and include somewhere right around here if you want to go check that out later on. So I'm going to keep this in here. I really do love it. I think I'm going to use it more in this system than in my flagship system, but we'll see. I ordered an extra one at launch so that I could have it also in my flagship. So I'm really excited about having this as part of this setup. I have a card from Cloth and Paper in here, and it just says, "The more grateful I am, the more beauty I see." I thought that this was perfect for two reasons. First, that you can see like the G up here, and my last name starts with a G, so I thought that was kind of cool. And there's a lot of gratitude-based books in here that I just thought tied in really well with the theme. When I was going through my desk drawers, I found this little paper clip. I cannot remember for the life of me what shop I ordered this from. I've had it for maybe 7 years, never let go of it, and I just thought it looked really cute in here. So it's literally just for decorative purposes. Okay, so the first book that I have was actually a freebie that you could get. It was like just before launch and up until the 24th. I also think they might have had some a little bit after the 24th, but not sure if as of the day that I'm filming this video, if there are any left. But this is the 2022 year-end reflections book. I love this thing. This is going to be the first thing that I start filling out over the next couple of months. I do have one of the makselife magnetic bookmarks on here. I believe those are still available on their website. And without going into too much detail, because again, I flipped through all of these things in my review video, but this is a great book to wrap up your entire year for your goal setting, a good book for your reflection. You can kind of see where you are now versus where you were at the start of 22. You can go over your highlights, your wins, your lessons and challenges for the year, as well as your growth and gratitude. It's a much thinner book than what the other ones are, simply because this is essentially a recap of the entire year. And I feel like this is going to be important for me to go through before I set up my goals for 2023. So I'm going to definitely keep this in here. I haven't even checked to see if this would just like fit in this front pocket by itself. I don't want the ruler to to damage it, but because I think it's just going to be a little bit too tight to get in there. But I'm perfectly okay with it just sitting in here for now because it's not going to stay in here permanently. But this is definitely part of this system for now. Okay, so the other books I was really excited about because I want this to be a part of my morning and evening routine. I even like pulled out the little habit tracker sticky notes from makselife because I think I might even like stick one of these on like the front of the book just so that it's here and I can keep track of certain habits that I'm wanting to like really like nurture and focus on, either just for that week or, you know, things like that. You can get like a ton of these on here. When I say it's like 60, don't quote me on that. You can check it out on the website, but I also think that these are going to be something that I keep in here as well. It does fit in this pocket, but of course that makes this book even harder to close because it makes it very thick. But if you're not worried about the folio closing, like add all the stuff until your heart is content. So for my morning routine, I'm going to start my day off with the Daily Intentions notebook. Again, I shared this in great detail in my review video, but I love this book because I think it's just going to be a great way to start your day off. So while you're having your coffee in the morning, however you can make it fit into your morning routine, I think that this is going to be very helpful. So it starts off with these prompts. How am I feeling today? How do I want to feel? What do I need today to feel good? What do I want to attract to myself today? Today I will let go of or say no to. Today I will embrace. Who's someone I want to make a mindful connection with today? I think that's so incredibly important. And then there's an area for your mantra for the day. So that's really cool. I love that so much. If you're someone who gets like has like a daily affirmation app, that could be a great place to write that in right there. So that's going to be my morning routine book. Then I'm going to use the Daily Reflections and Gratitude notebook as part of my evening routine. So again, this is filled with daily prompts for you. I already ordered extras of each of these books so that I had like my next ones already readily available. So this one just starts with how you felt, what your energy level was like, your mood, what you were grateful for the day, something that brought you joy, today's wins, how I grew today I'm proud of myself for, and what's something I can do tomorrow to make it a good day. So just a perfect way to like recap the day. So that's going to be for my evening routine. Super excited about both of these books so much. I know that I've talked to like multiple friends, like if you're going to get anything from makselife, even if you're not using their goal setting system, then I definitely recommend these two journals from their website. And again, I'll leave links for makselife down below in the description of this video. Next up, I included their new dot grid notebook. I also attached a makselife pen loop to it. I believe these are also still available on their website, but I like to always have one pen and one highlighter with me. So the Folio does have a built-in pen loop, but I just added another one to this book. And since this is a notebook, I felt like this was the best book to attach it to. So the purpose for this book is going to be basically all of my notes regarding goals, makselife, Club Makse. If you're not familiar, Club Makse is a subscription community tied to the makselife goal setting system. I think it's absolutely amazing. They do have frequently lives and trainings and like working sessions where I prefer to watch, like I will attend the live, but then I'll also re-watch so that I can take notes. So that's what I'm going to use this book for. And now I just remember that I didn't order another one of these at launch, so I may go ahead and place another order and grab one of these, but that's where I will put these in. I love that it's a dot grid book. You guys know, if you've watched me for any amount of time, that dot grid is my absolute favorite. I just love it so much. So also, if you get any of their products, they will literally tell you where to find them on all their socials, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all of that. And there's even a little blurb in here for Club Makse, so you can find more information about Club Makse at clubmakse.com. Okay, so here we go with the last book. I I popped in an Erin Condren wellness log in here. These books from Erin Condren are literally the same exact size as the makselife notebooks and journals, so I thought it would be perfect. This is an older one. I've already like started in this one. It's funny, it was from 2020, so we know that's why I didn't finish this book. But one, I loved that it's yellow. You guys know yellow is one of my absolute favorite colors. And I just kind of like the simplicity of the pattern on this book. Sometimes I don't really care for the pattern that they have on some of the EC books, but I thought that it was important to add this book to this system because this is going to be just like my overall wellness, so like mental health and physical health. So this book right here, like you can literally see I did start some of this in 2020, like it abruptly ended in March of 2020. Tried again in like the fall of September of 2020, and then I just didn't really stick with it. But essentially this is how this book looks. So I'll probably start right around here. There are some wellness goals areas where you can put your progress. You can focus on weight and measurements and all of that stuff, but that's not going to be my primary focus. My primary focus will be this activities page and tracking all of those things. So you have an area for your activity on the left, your water intake, your steps, and the hours slept over on the right, which I love. This is also undated, which is perfect, so that if I'm feeling like I really don't need this right now, or I can't focus on this right now, I need to focus on other things, I don't have to worry about a book going to waste, because as you can see, I started this in 2020 and here we are in 2022 and I still have tons of pages left in here to use, and I didn't want it to go to waste. So that is where I'm at with the books that I'm going to have in here. I don't have anything in the back. Really didn't see a need to add anything at this time. I was considering just having some of these stickers in the back just in case I wanted to use them to date things like in the wellness journal from Erin Condren, but I don't know. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I won't. They kind of look cute sitting back there. Still have them in the plastic. We'll see if I want to keep them back there, but they do fit. So if you get these date stickers from makselife, they will fit back here. All right, so that is how I'm going to set up my makselife folio. It's super simple, very, very straightforward. If you guys have any questions about anything that I mentioned in today's video, please be sure to let me know down in the comments below. I would love to hear if you guys have ordered one of these folios, if you're going to use it, how you're going to use it. Let's share all the ideas down in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed spending some time with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. If you are already subscribed, make sure you click that notification bell so that you know when my videos are posted here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.